Pook just asked me the day, or what day it was. I said, I don't know. And then she guessed Friday. We looked at the phone. It's Tuesday. That's what vacation's about. So today we're headed to Bangkok. I think it's mostly going to be driving, so I don't know if I'm going to make a video. If there's stuff here, then there is. We need to stop off at some place in Lampang to get some, I don't know, some food, some souvenirs and food stuff for her family. And then we're going to be on the road. It's going to be a long drive. It's like 7.5 hours from Lampang to the northern part of Bangkok. All right, we'll see you on the road. This is probably like the 6th police stop that we've been going through. Gotta slow down, put the camera away. And we're back in Ayutthaya. We're somewhere in Ayutthaya. So this is, Pook and I stopped off at this restaurant in Ayutthaya on our way to Bangkok. This is one of Pook's friend's daughters that own this. That's why we're here. There looks like a lot of foreigners here, but it's in Ayutthaya, so interesting.
I will order something else too.
Pretty tasty. Then it was pretty tasty. So we're gonna get some ice cream, and then we gotta head back to Bangkok. Still about an hour away to the house. Do some laundry, relax. And then tomorrow we're headed up to her niece's house. Yeah, pretty good food. So here in Ayutthaya, come down to Kampu, Ayutthaya. We got 2 big stuffed tigers. Pook caught these herself. I can't even speak. There's something. It's probably illegal to follow behind an ambulance like that. Alright, that's a pretty slow day. We had almost 8 hours of driving. We stopped off in Ayutthaya. That's late lunch. And now we're doing laundry. And then Pook needs to go to the bank. Okay, that's about it. Get some dinner. I go rest and relax.
But I don't have the bear I would like. I like over there. The one is more.
Yellow gingerbread. We should get a bank. Here's Pook getting the coffee. Here's Pook dropping off her medicine. There's my standard blueberry muffinish. But Pook's, look at that. That looks like a Christmas croissant there, huh? They say that's a shaken espresso, but I don't think they shook it up.
Everyone wear frost.
Yeah, Pook thought that was pretty good.
Huh?
What?
Everyone wear frost.
That's tonight. I know Pook's going to want to go to Don Donkey. So we were in the neighborhood, so we stopped by Fashion Island to get some lunch. And then we're going back to the house, and Getting our clothes to head up to Saraburi to see the niece and to spend the night there and have Christmas with them. Oh, the Christmas tree. What's that? Yeah. Okay, we saw this the other day.
Like this.
Why not?
Okay. Pork chop or signature premium pork loin. Probably this one should be good.
Yeah.
Kim.
Bunch. Of the remnants. That was good. Kimchi not so much. Sauces are good. Rice is fine. We'll get some kind of
Kimchi soup.
kimchi soup. Was it good? Oh, so was that 644 baht? It's about 20 bucks. Oh, yours was 229. Well, I guess mine was 200 baht. 7-ish, 6-7 bucks. The gyoza was 139. It's a 4 bucks. Okay, last time we were here, we went to Don Don Donkey. They didn't have the sweet potatoes that Pook likes. They were sold out. So since we're in the neighborhood, we thought we'd get one. Last time Pook was so sad, she started crying because they did not have these. Maybe take 2, maybe 5. Roomba. Yeah, try this again. Food station with Dairy Queen. So they have a bathroom here, and then they had a bathroom back where we went, which was 20 baht. And then also, they won it for 20 baht. It was really clean. But then there's a 7-Eleven here, and there's a 7-Eleven down there. The door's on this side. Oh, it's backwards. I don't understand the 7-Eleven. There's cashiers on 2 sides. That's not normal. Burrito, ham and cheese. These are very good. Very good. You get your ramens.
One piece is 45.
Is he talking?
Before long time ago.
Why is this one come in a bundle of 2? This is snack number 2. Always get some peanuts. 230 baht. Totally unhealthy. Oh, look at these.